Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import contact from your Gmail on your iPhone Air. So simply at first open my contact apps. So look here, so there are no contact in this section. So I'm at from my Gmail account. So simply open your settings, scroll down, press on apps and you get contact apps. Just open this, showing it to contact account, showing it to Gmail. I'm already on Gmail account, or if you have new, set account, select Google, open browser and need to log in. Press on next and enter your password, and you need to first sign in this. Okay, when you sign in, then you get this option. Just press on to turn on contact. Okay, when I'm enable this, and now I'm checking, showing it to my contact from my Gmail. Okay, so that's it.